how to know if someone blocked you on Roblox. So, if you suspect someone has blocked you on Roblox, there are a few signs and steps you can take to confirm it. So, to get started, go ahead and open Roblox into your preferred device, and then go ahead and check if you can message that specific individual whom you are suspicious who blocked you on Roblox. So click on their name if you still have them on your friends list and then try sending them a message. So if you try to send a direct message and get an error like user cannot receive messages, it's a strong sign you've been blocked. Another thing is you can follow or friend them. If their profile shows no option or send a friend request, they may have blocked you. Third is their profile is inaccessible. If you search for their username and can't access their profile, it could mean you're blocked. And fourth would be you're missing from their friends list. If you were friends before and suddenly aren't, you can't re-add them. Blocking might be the reason. So that what you can do with this situation first is to reflect, consider if any interactions may have led to the block. Move on, focus on positive gameplay and new friends, and report if the block was part of harassment, bullying. Report it to Roblox moderators. Now, if you want to check who you have blocked on Roblox, what you can do is to open your settings and then head over to privacy and content restrictions and head over to black users. And here you'll find the list of individuals whom you've blocked on Roblox.